Yo! I just need to check. Give me a moment. Since people are people and since men are men, back in the days, men do one thing. They destroy and they rebuild. And I think I finally did this. I destroyed the relationship to both of my now ex-girlfriends. And I'm super sorry too for the hard times I caused. Yet, now everybody's able to rebuild. Because when we stick together, I have not been able to, at least me for myself. All the time I knew that I should be single in order for me to be able to develop personally and grow as a man, because there's a comfort in being in a relationship, right? It's a cozy comfort, and nobody can grow in a comfort zone. Yet, due to addiction, I try to hold to those relationships. You know, back in my mind, I always knew I need this time for myself. I knew it all the time, but I was ignoring it and then trying to stick to something. And this was kind of a very selfish act, because it led me to, at one point, break up, because I was thinking with my brain, and then I was thinking with my heart again, and then I was thinking with my brain, and I was thinking with my heart again. My brain knew is the best. Just move on, Fabio, because this allows me to grow, right? Allows me to be with myself, allows me to have insights about myself, because in those times of comfort, I will not have them. And I want them. And I want hard times to grow from, but I prevented myself from, well, I caused hard times, but I prevented myself from my hard times. I caused hard times for everybody due to emotional distress. And I'm sorry for that. But it was just happening because I'm just not strong enough. Why? Because I didn't have enough hard times. I was sticking to, like a baby, to mama. Like, what is this bullshit? Why am I so weak? At least in those terms. At least in those terms, right? Besides that, I'm a strong man. That's for sure. But yeah, this addiction to women, this is my weakness. And at least I'm aware that's helpful, but yeah, it's not good. It's not good. So yes. And inside of me, I know there will be some day where I want to reach out, maybe, or something. I will not. This is the time. It happened on a good date even. And yeah. Everything is happening like it should be. I will be stronger in the end, and I will have my learnings from it. And at some point I can watch back to those videos And I can tell myself, Abby, you did the right thing. And from those learnings, then I can make videos telling other man, I've been there, I've done that, don't do it. This is it. I just want to help. Have a blessed day. Bye.